As on date, if you install KIVY from a precompiled will from the official website, you will get version 2.2.1, but you may need a specific KIVY version that works for your code, and it may not be the latest one. For the KIVY version you need, you also have to ensure that you're installing a compatible version of Python. To force Buildozer to pick your desired KIVY version, head to the requirements section of buildozer.kv, specify KIVY, and I needed KIVY version 2.2.0 and Python version 0.29.33. I manually installed Python version 0.29.33 with command. I'm using Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS on Oracle VirtualBox for my Buildozer build machine.